Oh, oh, oh. Oh, so tired. Oh my, did you work hard today?
I think she said he had a lot of aggravation today.
If you say it's okay, I don't mind. Take your time. You won't have to wait, the wait is over. 'Cause it's all I ever really longed for. 'Cause everything is alright, right. You and I will be alright, right. For a while we were down, but at last now we found what we always knew, but still we wonder. Now we don't have to wait any longer, 'cause everything is alright.
Okay, here we go again. Going around again. No, we're not going down that hill. Remember, I fell? Remember? We're changing that part of the loop. Let's go this way. It's very good for your mental health to drive a different way than you usually do, or take a different path. So we're going to take a different path. We're going to go through this one, and we're probably going to get really wet in the snow. Isn't it beautiful though? Look at this beautiful morning. Come on. There's tracks. See those tracks? Those are not Henry's. They're bigger than Henry's. These tracks are bigger than Henry's. Weird. Oh, okay, stop. Okay, what's happening right now is Henry. He's acting like a hunting dog. This happened last night. Henry, it's okay. There's tracks. They're not deer's. They look like cat tracks, but they're like paws, but they're bigger than any cat. I mean, Henry's paw is like half the size of these paws, like these tracks that go. There's one right there. Right there. So I'm guessing it could be, we have these big bobcats that live around here. And he goes, hey! It's the only thing that makes him howl and bark like this. Hear him? I'm sorry if it's annoying, but last night I'm walking and he sniffed some tracks and started going ballistic. Do you smell something? That's not a friendly hello bark. What? You smell an animal? Alright, come on, do your business. Let's go. Whatever it is, it's not bothering us. Okay, it just walked through our yard. Pretty recently from the look of it. It's probably hunting, looking for its breakfast, you know. Is it going this way? I don't know what it is. They go up from there to there. Hey, it's okay. Wow, that was crazy. That was crazy. Something got his sniffer, and it happened last night too. We were out and he started howling and barking like furiously into the woods. So he's smelling something, whatever it is. It's another animal. We have, I think it's either the cat next door or the bobcat, but those paw prints looked pretty big to me. And I know it, I've seen it a few times, the bobcat. Like I keep thinking it's a dog, and then I look closer and it's a cat head, but he has like a, you know, like a stumpy tail, and it's taller, its legs are longer. Whatever. Anyway, he starts barking and there's no stopping him for a while, and I think it's a protection thing. He just starts, it's weird. It's not like I'm talking to the dogs in the neighborhood barking. It's like non-stop howling and almost a distress kind of thing. Next in my routine here is feeding my animals. We have Henry's food, and then the cat has food. He gets like 1 can a day of the little cans of food. And yes, he eats on the table. How's that? We never use this table. I mean, like once a year maybe. It's more sort of the repository for stuff. The cat has to eat up here because the dog will eat his food, and the cat food is not good for the dog. The cat does not like the dog food, but the dog loves the cat food, and cat food is not good for dogs. So he's waiting for his breakfast. Are you waiting for your breakfast? Yeah. I am home. Home. I went to work. I got Thomas that came home. And Daniel is here. I can hear them in there. Are we decent?
Decent.
Hi.
Sorry.
Watching this cool movie here that you've never seen.
Stop! How do you got this movie?
I'm not telling you. I told you to buy me a fire stick, and I do this
I
for
have
you.
a fire stick.
I'll fix it. If you bring it downstairs, I'll make this stuff happen for you.
This is Moana.
Hey.
It's vest time.
This time.
There's the vest. The vest is in there. Time to shake and bacon. Oh, so tired. Oh my, did you work hard today?
I think he said he had a lot of aggravation today.
Again?
Yeah. So he's like in streaks lately. He went good for like a month.
Are you not doing too great at school? You have to give me a smile. You have to give me a smile for my camera vlog. No? Want to come back later, Mom, and smile? Okay, Mr. Widemouth. What are you doing?
See something happened in Delaware where like prisoners took control of the prison and like are holding the workers, the guards hostage.
Is that still going on?
Well, so you knew about that, yeah.
I just caught a piece of a news clip. I didn't
It
really.
seemed like it was going on still when I arrived here.
I'll have to turn the news on in a minute. Hey.
Oh, they let you retire early.
Hi, cutie tootie. So I went to the P.O. box. And guess what? I had mail in there. This was in my P.O. box. I'm going to open it right now. This is from Jude. Miss J. Whiteside. She's from the UK. Cute. It says, I hope you're having a good day. I don't know if you saw my film review of a UK film on my YouTube channel late last year, but the film was so heartwarming. I didn't want you to completely miss out, so I sent you this gift. I hope you enjoy it. God bless, Jude. I did not catch that, and I will look for it. Thank you for letting me know. Now a major film, A Street Cat Named Bob. Thank you so much. The amazing true story of one man and his cat. A heartwarming tale with a message of hope. Wow, thank you so much. I've not even heard of this story yet. I wonder if they have it at Barnes & Noble, because my sister works there. But there's a famous quote I read somewhere. This is just the first sentence of the book. It says, we are all given second chances every day of our lives. They are there for the taking. It's just that we don't usually take them. All right, well, I'm going to read this book. Thank you. And then I'll look for the movie, your review too. You're so sweet. Thank you very, very much. Jude, aka Super Miss Blue Eyes on YouTube. You can want to order. John's not here tonight, so we're going to like relax. I'm tired. It's Wednesday and I'm so blah. Yeah, maybe I should. It's just so much easier to pick up the phone and dial, hi, can you please send me some chicken and rice? Okay, guys. See you later. Oh, boy. I have been sitting here at the table working on my video, and it's uploading. So while it's uploading, I was eating my salad, which I want to finish, but you know what I started watching? Decided to watch Westworld. Have you guys watched Westworld? I'm on the 3rd episode. It's kind of weird. I'm still like trying to figure it out, but I heard it was really good, so it's okay. But I like it. It keeps my mind active. I'm staying off of the regular TV because I'm not being like negative or positive or anything. I've just kind of had it with politics. It's like, it's all that's on. It's all day, all night. Whether it's good stuff, bad stuff, all around the world stuff. I just want to watch a show that makes me relax. Is that a good thing? Yeah, that's a good thing. I hope everybody had a wonderful day and everyone's doing well and you're healthy. And if you're not healthy, I hope you get better. And if you know, that kind of thing. Just feel good. I'm looking at my mail too. Don't look at the mail either. No news and no mail. Sometimes there's good things in the mail though. Mail can be tricky. Go video go. Go video go. Go video go. It's gonna be cold. Gonna have a cold bum. Nobody wants that. Life in New England is like this.